In 1969, the U.S. government would set out to tackle one of the most ambitious projects in aviation history. With the goal of air superiority and led by one of the most powerful companies in aviation, this program formed into the Lockheed CL-1201, a project that still today remains a mystery. At the height of the Cold War, while the world looked earthbound, Lockheed dared to look upward. Way upward. In the late 1960s, amid pressing geopolitical tensions and rapid aerospace innovation, engineers at Lockheed began dreaming up aircraft. By the late 1960s, Lockheed had already stunned the world with creations like the U-2 spy plane and the SR-71 Blackbird, aircraft that shattered altitude and speed records, pushing the boundaries of what seemed possible in aviation. Next, they dreamt up something almost unimaginable: a nuclear-powered aircraft with a wingspan of over 1,100 feet, longer than 3 football fields end-to-end. Powered by a 1.83 gigawatt nuclear reactor, it was envisioned to remain aloft for over a month without landing, sustained by near-limitless energy and resupplied in mid-air. The CL-1201 would serve as an airborne aircraft carrier, a fortress in the sky capable of launching and recovering fighters without ever touching a runway. Some concepts showed it carrying up to 22 external aircraft slung under its immense wings, along with hangar space for 2 shuttle planes hidden inside. Another variant imagined it as a logistics leviathan, hauling 3,000 troops and over 1,000 tons of equipment across continents without pause. The CL-1201's immense wings housed fuel lines and equipment to refuel its escort fighters in mid-air, allowing them to return, dock, and launch again without the mothership ever descending. The aircraft was envisioned with 6 full decks inside, providing living quarters, mess halls, workstations, and recreation areas for the intended crew of around 400 people. Stacked like a vertical city in the sky, these decks transformed the aircraft into an aircraft carrier of the sky. However, the CL-1201 never left the drawing board because its sheer size created insurmountable logistical hurdles. It would have required a runway longer and stronger than anything in existence. The cost of developing, building, and operating such a nuclear-powered airborne fortress would have soared into the billions. Safety concerns over operating a nuclear reactor in the sky, combined with the massive weight of the required radiation shielding, made the concept even less practical. In the end, the project collapsed under the weight of its own ambition, a victim of physics, finances, and the realities of Cold War risk management. Ultimately, the Lockheed CL-1201 reigns on as one of the most impressive concept aircraft.